Oh, here's one from Leanne. Oh, this is one we need it for that. Here's one from Leanne. So Leanne says, can I set up a discount code for my reviewers that is specific to them only? I am reimbursing them, so wanting to discount. All right. The answer to that, in short, is yes, you can. So all you would need to do for that is set up what's called a single-use coupon, and just give your single-use coupon to your reviewers, and that way they could get a lower price for their product, and that would mean that you'd have less to reimburse them for the product. Okay, so Leanne's strategy is get somebody to buy the product, they then leave a review for the product, and then Leanne gives them the money back for buying the product. Okay, like rebates them for doing that. That's her strategy. I will add to that that in my opinion, it's actually better to make full price sales for this sort of stuff, because not only will that achieve your goals of ranking your product, which is what I'm assuming you're trying to do, it will achieve your goals of ranking your product. It will also give you as well reviews that, well, I suppose it doesn't really matter that much, but you get a different kind of review when there's no discounting applied. If it was me and I was doing that with your particular strategy, Leanne, what I would do is I would discount the product here. So I would drop the price of my product for my launch period based on what you're trying to do. I would drop the price of my product to whatever I could, break even, and then run that promotion, and that way I'd get full price reviews, which is good. Let me show you why that's kind of important. Here's why. You get a verified purchase thing on that. If you drop the price and discount, you don't get the early review rewards program. You don't get the verified review, but you can also argue that's bullshit and who cares, because the only time you see it is when you go looking for them, and I kind of agree with that too. So that's what I would do. But if you don't want to do that and you want to kind of do it your way, then what I suggest you do is use Rebate Key. I've been using this heaps. Really, really good strategy. Basically what this is, it's a load and loads of people who want to buy products off of Amazon at a discount, and then loads and loads of sellers who want to get sales velocity and reviews for their products. Okay, this is the USA one. There is Australian one, there is UK one, so it's all over the place, and it manages that whole process for you. Means that you don't have to dick about, basically. So it just manages that whole process for you. You can also set this up through ManyChat, and that works really, really well as well. But Rebate Key is really easy and makes that whole thing super, super easy for you. Do you get a full price review if you use that Amazon coupon? As long as it's less than 30%, yes, you do. But if you start going 50%, then you don't get that. Yes, it is, Marin. Can you set it? Yes, you can, Marin. Is Rebate Key risky? Not so far. Rebates are always being used. It's a pretty tried and tested thing for people to, like Walmart does rebates, for instance. You know what I mean? Like your local shop would, like Toyota runs a buy the new Toyota Yaris and we'll give you $1,000 back, for instance. That's just a rebate. That's all that is. Okay, so it's a pretty tried and tested thing. Loads and loads of big companies use Rebate Key, so it's not like it's some dodgy Amazon only thing. All right. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business, here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.